How you all going? Today we're going to fisheries, checking out the koalas, doing a bit of a koala count. It's a bit different today because it's start of spring sort of thing, so we've got to keep an eye out for snakes, lizards and all that other crazy stuff you find in the Australian wildlife. Let's get moving.
They're a bit better, but not that good.
I can see one already.
Really?
Yep, right in front of us.
Oh yeah, he's looking at us like, you noisy fucks.
I brought shoes this time so I don't get stepping on any dead ones.
How you going? We finally got to the koala spot. As you can see, as soon as we pull up, there's one just up there. So that's one koala for the count. Let's see how many we can find. Right, so one thing we also have to do, as I said before, we've got to keep an eye out for snakes and lizards because we're like 30 k's away from town, so we don't want no incidents like that today. Let's keep going. We found the one. I'll get a close up of him on the way back. We'll see what else is around. All right, here we go. Let's see if we find some more. There's another one up there. That's a 2 count. Oh, that one is. There's it. Oh, there you go. Walking through the forest, walking through the forest. Keeping an eye out for snakes, keeping an eye out for snakes. Big bull for that one.
Ate too much.
Yeah, he's just chilling. Chilling in the tree, like a little homie. Here's one of the little ones. There he is. Just sitting there nice, peaceful and chill. Oh! Bit of a scratch there, bro. Be careful. It looks so fluffy. Here's a fluffy one, eh?
Look at my 3 adventurers doing their job over there.
There's only 3. Hey, Editor Shano, can you do me a favour, mate? Put in the map location on here. But please advise people, if they ever go there, be nice, don't ruin nothing, don't take nothing, don't change nothing. Just admire the koalas. Editor Shano here, yeah, Shano. No problems, mate, I got ya. So what you do is you come out of Port Lincoln, you go down Proper Bay Road, and on the corner of Sleaford Bay Road, Proper Bay Road and Fisheries Bay Road, you turn right. So you're coming in, you turn right, you go up there, you follow it around, you go down here, and then you keep following around. Don't worry about that marker. Keep following around, and down here, as you'll see, that's where we've got the koala habitat. That's where I parked. Turns out there was only 3 today. Last time there was 5, this time there's only 3. I mean, it is early spring, so by the end of spring I'm sure they'll be out a lot more. But yeah, let's go on to the next spot, which is Fisheries Bay. I'll see you all there. Let's go to fisheries. Don't know why I'm indicating, there's no one fucking here. Port Lincoln. You would have seen it before on my videos, but we thought we'd come out and have another look, see if anything's changed. Let's go and have a look. Fisheries Bay campground. This is only a new addition. They've made this a campground now. So this whole area can be hired out for camping. Yeah, I've got to show you the crapper. This is what you call an outback shitter. Hold your breath because it's going to stink. Fucking long dropper. Oh. Yeah, the old long droppers, mate. It's the only place your boot can break terminal velocity. Fuck. Already swallowed a fly. I've had my protein for the day. I reckon it's still flying around. Oh, there's a lovely little path through here. Oh, I better remind them, watch out for snakes. Beats walking the roadway next to it because the roadway next to it's 4-drive only. So it's very sandy and you get boggy, even with shoes on and that. I'll show you a bit of that in a minute. I wasn't going to take my 4-drive on the beach today for obvious reasons. I'm the only one here that's got a 4-drive, so I don't feel like getting bogged, eh? Not today, mate. Here we go. Fisheries Bay, got a couple of surfers, bodyboarders out. It's a nice bay. And as you may remember, this is where I did that surfing tribute to Merrick. And this is where Marion passed away. So a lot of sad stories at this place, but a lot of good stories too. Little surfy dogs. Alright, there's a trick to walking on sand, right? You go down to the low tide line, because it's harder sand. Same when full driving as well. So as you can see, I'll show you the difference. Harder. We'll go over here. Softer. Yeah, saves a bit of energy if you walk on the low tide line. Definitely. But look at the view. Here we go. Going to find a nice rock for me lizard. Little one for Dozy to bake on. Got a medium. Better find a medium for her. I like that flat one. Yeah, that's pretty good for her, I reckon. Are you going to carry that one back though? Alright, you carry that one back then. Okay. We got one, thanks to Tyler. Now let's get out of the water before we get wet. Maybe just a stick, but just in case. Yeah, that one's a stick.
It's a sleepy.
Oh, that's a weird looking one, isn't it? No, it's a bluey. Blue tongue, I think. That's a long blue tongue. Not that fat though.
Where did it go? It's going over there. They're fast little creatures.
Alright, let's see if there's any more wildlife. We've seen a sleepy. Oh, not sleepy, sorry, blue tongue. Oh, I did see a sleepy before. So yeah, we're doing alright. We're up here, I'm about to take you down, look at some waves and the cliff front, see what's down there today. And I'm going to show you behind me. I don't know if you've ever heard of this, but that's where they tried that rocket launch that failed, blew up before it launched. This is called Whalers Way. Nice scenery here as per usual in Port Lincoln. There you go. Most reliable phone reception is here. Yeah, this part of town you don't get much phone reception. So if you want to ring someone, stand under this sign. Trust me. God damn, unstable cliffs. And I'm scared of heights. Oh, mate. Blech. Love the view. Of course, back there's fisheries. If you've watched that full drive clip I did, there's Sleeve the Wanna there. Read a big one about the brake. Now the not so fun part, climbing back up the stairs. Come on. I need to install escalators. Totally. There you go, and I'm back again. Well, it's probably a short video this time. We just thought we'd go out and kill some time on our day off. Hope you enjoy it. We're just doing it to practice editing, get better. But I hope to see you next time and enjoy. Editor Shano back again. If you got this far and you liked it, please like, sub, comment, and then please go over and see my wife's version of it, because she's got a different editing style and it's going to be interesting. So please go check that out. The link's in the description. Editor Shano out.